Herzlich willkommen zum Fest. Today is April 12th, 2018, and this is Otis Coupe here in Frankfurt at the German favorite Dippemess that comes to town twice a year. Maybe you remember the Frankfurt Dippemess, because I actually remember the Dippemess for at least since 1979. So you're gonna have to do the math. From 1979 to 2018. Hey Lynn.
Hey.
I was just introducing myself from behind the camera.
Okay.
Yeah, so would you just like to say hi?
Hi everybody.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to decide whether I want to throw away my money on this
what is this?
Thing. Buy a lottery ticket so you can win like a stuffed animal.
Oh my God. Those are poop pillows.
They come in pink now too.
What did you say?
Those poop pillows come in pink also.
Wow.
So that's what I was thinking about, deep stuff like that, whether I was gonna participate in this. Because I kind of would like to win something just so I could realize I don't have enough space in the house to put it anywhere.
Yeah. Instead of a poop pillow, why not get a unicorn?
I don't want a poop pillow, but that's just one of the things. I would rather have a unicorn.
You said you would rather have a unicorn?
Yeah, or a teddy bear with a heart.
Today here at the Dippemess is Family Day, and it's a Thursday today, and actually lucked out because it was going to rain earlier, but well, the angels kept it from raining. So we're just going to record a few of the sights here, and yeah, we just also wanted you to know that we have not stopped uploading to the channel. We've just been extremely busy. As long as the channel exists, then we're going to always be recording. So, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, so are you going to play the game now or what?
Now or later.
All right. Over here is a beer tent. And yeah, I see that there are people sitting on the inside. This is actually the Frankfurt Dippemess now, but it's not called the Frankfurt Dippemess. I just call it Frankfurt Dippemess when it comes here. But this Dippemess goes throughout Germany. I think it's been here for about almost 2.5 weeks or so. So it's gonna be gone soon. Here's a little list of people who've been here performing. Yeah. And it goes it started on March 23rd on Friday. It's going all the way down to April 15th, which is Sunday.
Hey.
So what did you decide to do?
I got a pack of 35 tickets. Now I got to open every one of them and see how many points I get. And see what I want. So we can't go too far away from this thing.
Oh, really?
Well, we can, but we got to come back then, and I got to be able to look at what I got. Because they close at 11 tonight.
They close at 11.
Yeah.
So if we walk around, is that going to screw anything up? If we walk around?
But I'll need to go back there at some point.
Yeah, so, all right. Okay.
And if I win a little poop pillow, I'll give it to you.
No.
How about a unicorn?
No, you can offer it to one of the Eagles, one of our classmates.
We can what do you call it? Do a drawing for it on YouTube or something.
Yeah.
But if it's a unicorn, I'm gonna have to keep that.
If it's a unicorn, you're gonna have to keep it?
Yeah.
Figures. You're gonna have to check this out because this is absolutely unbelievable, this ride. If you want to call this a ride, they're way up there at the top. And they're going to be coming all the way down. No, I will not ride this ride. This ride is actually a little crazy.
Ja, es war eine Latte natürlich. Das ist sehr schön.
So what is that you're doing?
Collecting money. There's two games, here or here. Collecting. If I get enough money, then I can win a prize.
If you get enough money, you can win a prize.
Back in the day, I could go on.
Yeah, like I was saying earlier, I don't know if you could hear me, but I was saying the first time I came here was like around 1979 to this Dippemess. And actually there used to be one that came to the Frankfurt PX too, that would be in the parking lot of the PX back in the late 70s and the early 80s. It would actually be on the compound where the PX used to be in Frankfurt. Believe it or not. Yeah, these days I gain weight just from looking at stuff like that.
Me too.
What'd you say?
Me too.
Yeah. Lynn says she does too. Yeah. Lynn was saying it's like our metabolism slows down or something like that. And I don't really know if that's the case.
And we slow down too. And we slow down, I think.
Yeah, I think that's more like the case because we're not ripping and running like we were in the 20s and 30s. You know, we're doing a lot of sitting and office jobs. We're not doing much extracurricular activity, so to speak, like we used to say in school. And I think actually that's what causes it. Or maybe just the memories of how good it used to taste. But I actually have no yearn for none of that junk food that I was showing. I could actually care less, you know. No thanks. What flavor did you get?
Watermelon.
Huh? Oh. She got watermelon flavor.
Either, yeah. I'm a cherry or a watermelon flavored or banana flavored type of fruit. There used to be more stuff.
Still good?
My teeth are freezing up though.
А вот требовал моей торговой Марию.
So he said, come on.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't want to, can we have
Well,
our-
tell him. Ask him.
Can we today and you won't let me. Da ist doch einer frei. Turn this thing. I'm gonna.
Well, ask him. Well, why should they turn it? Well, here goes nothing. At least we make the Ferris wheel.
Yeah. This one seems a little wobbly.
So, no. I think it's good.
Müsste eigentlich hinter uns sein.
Hier ist was mit. Hier.
Lynn, would you please stop it? Yes. So what? Lynn is getting she thinks I'm gonna turn the this little thing right here, but I'm not turning it. I'm just using something to grab a hold of. So are you alright?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I get a little bit of the heebie-jeebies because of motion sicknesses, you know.
Yeah.
But I'm fine.
This is up much higher than you can imagine.
Oh yeah.
And that's the city over there in the distance. The skyline in Frankfurt is getting bigger and bigger since I got here many years ago. I remember there was only like about 4 of those buildings, 4 skyscrapers or something like that back in the late 70s. So, but it's actually pretty relaxed here today.
It's real pretty.
Yeah. Woo. Yeah, so this is the Eissporthalle area in Frankfurt. That's the Eissporthalle right down there. It's a ice skating rink, and I guess they have some type of hockey. Yeah, ice hockey there. The Frankfurt Lions. Have you seen the Frankfurt Lions?
No.
Would you be interested in going to a ice hockey game?
Yeah, why not?
That's the skyline. I don't know how clear that is. Yeah, so I would suspect after we finish this, probably call it a night because it's getting really breezy. Even though I don't think that it's gonna rain. What are you doing over there?
I'm just relaxing.
Oh, okay. Well, we're spying on you. We're looking at that eagle on your hat. But you're not afraid of heights, huh?
No, I'm just afraid of motion.
Okay. Well, that was that. And we're ready to go. That was nice and mellow. Yeah, you made it.
I was feeling a little, and then the other girl said that if it keeps rocking, she's gonna feel queasy too. So I wasn't the only one.
The girl was saying that?
Yeah.
What she said, if it kept doing what?
If it kept rocking.
Oh, if it kept rocking, okay.